Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to load data in Pandas from CSV file for data analysis. If you want to analyze any data, that data can be present in any format like Excel file, CSV file, JSON file, etc. In today's video, we will explore how to load data from CSV file. For this, first we will open Jupyter Notebook. If you want to know more about Jupyter Notebook, you can watch my other video from playlist which is on Jupyter Notebook topic. Here is our CSV file which we will load and will do data analysis on this. If you see this CSV file, in first column we have employee ID of the company employee, and in second column we have designation of the employee, and in third column we have mentioned employee salary which is specified in dollar. We will load this CSV file data and will perform data analysis with the help of pandas. So let's start now. We have opened Jupyter Notebook for data analysis. First, we will import pandas in our notebook. So we will write import pandas as pd command and we will run this. So pandas will be imported in our notebook. Now we have defined variable as df for our data frame. For uploading CSV file, we have one read CSV method in pandas. In this, we can specify the location of the file where this file is stored physically on our system. We will run this command. It will load our data into a data frame object which we have defined as df. If we want to check our data, then we can check our df object. It will show whole data here. If we have so much large data, then we can use df.head method. By default, it will show first 5 lines from the top. If we want to check some specific lines from the top, then we can pass that number as an argument in a head function. Here we are passing 8, so it is showing first 8 lines from the top. Similarly, if we want to see last 5 lines, then we can use tail method. It will show last 5 lines from the bottom. If we want to see some particular lines from the bottom, then we can pass that number as an argument in a tail method. It will show our data on the screen accordingly. Here I am passing 8, so it will show 8 lines from the bottom. Friends, this is enough for today's video. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. It will really encourage me to make more videos to increase your knowledge in machine learning domain. Thank you everyone.